Good afternoon, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. On this channel, you guys are going to learn how you can earn income from home by taking surveys, watching videos, um, playing with apps on your phone, or investing into opportunities that would help you make a bigger income online. So don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a couple of free gifts I want to give you. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk about a site I just found out about. It's called RedBubble, and this is a site where you can come here and create your own designs and upload them to this site. And if anybody comes and purchases your design from this site, you get paid. So I'm going to show you, and this site is 100% free to sign up. I already created an account. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. It's kind of like you're creating your own store to sell your artwork on. You can create things from clothing all the way up to gifts. They have accessories. They have kids and babies. They have wall art. They have phone cases, stickers. Okay. So I created my account already. And I'm going to click on Manage Portfolio. Let's see what that comes up with. Hold on one second. Okay. So, hold on one second. You basically can come on here and look at some of the things that they have. And you can come up with your own design. And they do have very awesome designs that you can look at. But if you want to create your own, you would come over here to cleanpng.com. That's cleanpng.com. And you would just search for an image. And these are free images, okay? And you download them, you upload them to RedBubble. And you can even edit them, and they show you what they're going to look like on every single product that they have, okay? For instance, they'll show you what it looks like on a t-shirt, what it'll look like on a pillow, on a coffee mug, on a dress. So those are a few things to name what they will look like. But I'm going to show you what I've created. I created this, the Michael Jackson Moonwalker image that I created. And I just came upon Michael Jackson. And I did this because, I'm a Michael Jackson fan. I'm not as huge of a fan as a lot of people are. And I'm talking, I am a Michael Jackson fan, but I'm not like crazy, like obsessed like everyone else is. But here's an example. This is what it shows you what it looks like on a pin, on a transparent sticker, on a glossy sticker, on a regular sticker. So these are just products that people can look at, they can buy, purchase if they want. So this is what I've created. And there's I just did this because I figured, I wanted to create that. And I shared this with Facebook. So I'm actually going to share this with, I'm going to leave this link in the description if you guys want to check it out. I'm going to add a lot more things here as well. So, but remember, the name of the site is called RedBubble. And then where you get free images to add to RedBubble is CleanPNG. Okay, you can, search up any design you guys want. So, for instance, let's see. like dogs and cats, so I'm gonna my favorite animals are dogs. So I'm gonna type in the word dogs. So I like dogs. I'm allergic, but I like them. I like dogs and I like cats, but unfortunately I'm allergic, but those are my favorite animals. I can honestly say I love dogs and cats, but my favorite is a dog. So you come here, find out a dog picture that you think would really look nice. And remember, they're gonna show you what it's gonna look like on a t-shirt, on a coffee mug, on a pillow, on a face mask. So these are gonna go on a lot of their product stuff that they have. So you guys can choose like whatever picture you want. These are free, and it has a transparent background, so you'll be able to upload it easily. And these are free. So you guys can come to cleanpng.com, search your images, download them to your computer, and upload them to RedBubble. And from what I hear, this site has 21 million views and visitors. This site has 21 million visitors, monthly visitors, okay? So this site gets a lot of attention. And so, you can even come here. Let's see, there's see here. See what they have for this. This is something that's coming up. See if they have any images for that. This is the holiday that's coming up. I want to see if they had anything for it. Here we go. You guys can come here and look at this. You can create stuff like this. It's all what you guys want. This is like an images you guys can create, and these are free. Download them to your computer, upload them to RedBubble, and you can sell them. Once they sell, you get paid. So that's how it works. But don't forget, the name of the site is called cleanpng.com. You can search up anything on here. And so I just wanted to bring you this site because I just created an account myself, and I wanted to show you what I created on here. So this would be my shop. So this will be my shop here. And you guys would be able to come here and look at all the stuff that and I created a little bio here. And people that visit my page, they can like it. They can follow me because I have my Facebook linked to this. So whatever I post on here, I'll be sharing it with Facebook. So, and this shows you what I've So that's my first image I created. This first design I created. I just wanted to show you guys that. So RedBubble is a great site. You guys really should check it out. Don't forget, cleanpng.com is the name of the free site where you can get free images to put on your shop. And that's basically it. So like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.